Hi guys! So today, mag-multiply naman tayo ng polynomials. Okay? So gagamit tayo ng iba-ibang way to get the products. We can use the distributive property or yung FOIL method for binomials or yung box method. So it's up to you guys kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin as long as naintindihan nyo yung logic behind it and of course kung ano yung mas madaling way para sa inyo to get the product. Okay? So let's start. Okay, so let's multiply 2x and 3x. So, first yung coefficient muna na 2 and 3, so that it's 6. And then yung variable na x, so x times x, di ba yung rule ng naman sa exponent, kapag same yung base, i-add lang natin yung exponent. So that is x squared. Okay? How about 4x squared times x squared? So, yung coefficient nito ay 1, so 4 times 1, that is 4. And then yung x squared times x squared, so again, i-plus lang ulit natin yung kanilang exponent. Okay? So how about this one? 2x times 3. Pwede ba ni-multiply? Yes. So it will become 6x. Okay? So you're just gonna copy the variable. Now, how about this one? 2x times 3y. So pwede ba siyang i-multiply? Yes, yung coefficient, so it will become 6. Pero yung variable, ipagdidikit lang natin yan or pagsasamahin lang natin yan. Okay? So, hindi natin sila pwedeng i-multiply na gagawa ng exponent kasi magkaiba yung base nila or magkaiba yung variable nila. Okay? So, the answer for that is 6xy. Okay? So, again, pag nag-multiply ng same variable, i-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent. Okay? Okay, so let's multiply yung 6y dun sa sum ng 2y tsaka 3. Okay? So, gagamit na naman tayo ng distributive property. Okay? So, 6y times 2y. So, we have 12. And then again, yung variable na y, that will become y squared. Okay? I-add lang natin yung kanilang exponent. And then 6y times positive 3 is positive 18y. Okay? So, ito yung kanilang product. Next. So, again, magdi-distribute na naman tayo. So, we have here 2xy times 3x squared y. Okay? So, wag masyadong magulahan. So, coefficient muna. So, we have 2 times 3, that is 6. And then, yung variable na x times x squared. So, that is x cube. Okay? So, i-add lang ulit natin yung kanilang exponent. And then, yung y, tapos another y, so that is y squared. Okay? So, that is the product. Now, next naman, 2xy times positive 4xy. So, we have positive 8, and then yung x nila, so, x squared, and then yung y squared. Okay? Parehas na 1 lang yung exponent nila. Alright? And then, yung last term, so we have 2xy times negative 5xy squared. So, yung coefficient na negative 5 tsaka 2, so that is negative 10. And then, yung x nila, x times x, so that is x squared. And then, yung y times y squared, so that is y cubed. Okay? So, ito na ngayon yung product ng ating polynomials. Okay? Okay, so ngayon naman, mag-multiply tayo ng binomials. Okay? So, may dalawang method tayong gagamitin to get the product. First, yung FOIL method, and yung later, yung box method. Okay? So, unahin natin yung FOIL method. So, pag sinabi natin FOIL method, so yun yung tinatawag na yung F, that is yung first. So, ito yon. So, 6p times 5p, so that is 30p squared. Okay? Kasi nga, pinag-add yung exponent ng letter P. Pagdating naman dito sa O, that is outside term. So, ito yung 6P times positive 8. So, that is positive 48P. Okay? Then, sunod is letter I. So, that's the inside term. So, that is positive 8 and 5P. So, that is positive 40P. Okay? And yung L, that is the last term. So, that is positive 8 and times positive 8, so that is positive 64. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung nakuha natin na product, pero kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong like terms. So, kailangan natin i-combine yan para ma-simplify ang ating sagot. Okay? So, we have now 30p squared. And then, if we combine positive 48p and positive 40p, so we have positive 88p. Okay? And then, just bring down positive 64. So, ito na ngayon yung product ng ating polynomials. Okay? Okay, so tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, gagamit tayo ng another way to get the product of these binomials. Okay? So, ito yung tinatawag na box method. In short, kukunin lang natin yung area. 'Di ba? Kapag gumawa tayo ng area, ita-times lang natin yung length at saka width. Okay? Basta yung size ng height nila at saka width. Okay? So, ang mangyayari ngayon, ilalagay natin kahit saan dito yung ating binomials. So, let's say, nandito yung 6p, tsaka positive 8, and nandito yung 5p, at saka positive 8. Okay? So, imumultiply natin sila para makuha yung area nito. Alright? So, first, 6p times 5p, so we have 30p squared. Okay? And then we have 8 times 5p, and that is 40p. Okay? And then 6p times positive 8, and that is positive 48p. And then we have 8 times 8, so we have positive 64. Okay? So, ito ngayon yung nandun sa loob ng box natin. And napansin natin na parehas yung kanilang term. So, ang gagawin, combine terms. So, 40p plus 48p, so we have 88p. Okay? Positive. Then, ibaba na lang natin to. Basta, make sure na ilagay natin sila dun sa naka-arrange na highest to lowest degree. And then, ito din, ibaba natin. So, ayan. So, ito lang din yung nakuha natin product kanina. Tama? Same lang din naman sila. So, it's up to you guys kung ano yung preferred way nyo as long as alam naman ninyo yung logic kung bakit yan yung naging sagot. Okay? Okay, so let's multiply this first sa distributive. Okay? So, we have this x muna and then i-multiply natin sa bawat term. Alright? Saka naman yung negative 5. Okay? So, negative x times x squared, or x times x squared, so that is x cubed. And then x times positive 4x, so that is positive 4x squared. And then x times negative 6, so that is negative 6x. Okay? And then ito naman. So, negative 5 times x squared, so that is negative 5x squared. Itapat na natin dito kung saan sila parehas. So, dahil ito yung parehas niya, so dito natin ilalagay. Okay? And then negative 5 times positive 4x, that is negative 26x. Oh, sorry. That is negative 20x. Okay? And then negative 5 times negative 6, that is positive 30. Okay? And then combine like terms. So, wala namang katapat si 30, so that is positive 30. And then ito, negative 6x and negative 20x, so that is negative 26x. And then itong x squared natin, so we have 4x squared and negative 4x squared, so naging 1 lang yan, diba? So we don't need to write x squared na lang, negative, okay? And then bring down na lang yung x cubed. Okay? So ngayon, ito yung kanilang product. X cubed minus x squared minus 26x plus 30. Okay? Okay, so gamitin naman natin yung box method to get the product. Okay? So, ang ginawa natin is tatlong column, dalawang rows. Okay? Kasi binomial tsaka trinomial. Or pwede rin namang tatlong rows, dalawang column. It's up to you guys. Same lang din naman dapat ang lalabas na sagot. Okay? So, x times x squared, so that is x cubed. X times positive 4x, that is 4x squared. X times negative 6, so that is negative 6x. Okay? So, negative 5 times x squared, so that is negative 5x squared. And then negative 5 times positive 4x, that is negative 20x. And then negative 5 times negative 6, so that is positive 30. Okay? And then, hanap tayo sa like terms. So, we have here negative 5x squared and then positive x squared. So, when we combine that, that is negative x squared. Okay? And then, ito naman, same ulit sila. So, we have negative 26x. Okay? So, wala na tayong same na term. So, ibaba na lang natin to. So, it will become x cubed and then yung 30 na positive. Okay? So, ito yung product na nakuha natin gamit yung box method. And same lang naman siya nung kaninang product na nakuha natin gamit yung distributive. Okay? Okay, so let's multiply these trinomials na meron tayo dito ngayon. Okay? So, gamitin muna natin yung distributive. So, first, we distribute yung 5x squared. Oops. Okay, distribute natin yung 5x squared sa bawat isa. Okay? So, we have 5x squared times negative 3x squared. So, that is negative 15x raised to 4. Tama ba? Ibaba natin siya. 15x raised to 4. Kasi nga, yung exponent natin is 2. So, i-add natin yan. Next is 5x squared times negative 6x. So, that is negative 30x cubed. Okay? 2 and yung 1. Alright? And then, oops, wait. So, that is negative 30x cubed. And then, ito naman. 5x squared times negative 2, that is negative 10x squared. Negative 10x squared. Okay? So, ito namang 2x, i-times natin sa bawat isa. Okay? So, first, we have 2x times negative 3x squared. So, that is negative 6x cubed. So, itapat na natin dito kung saan siya parehas. So, that is negative 6x cubed. Okay? And then, 2x times negative 6x. So, that is negative 12x squared. And then, 2x times negative 2. So, that is negative 4x. Okay? So, ito namang negative 1. So, sa bawat isa din. So, let's have negative 1 times negative 3x squared. So, that is positive 3x squared. Negative 1 times negative 6x. So, that is positive 6x. And then, negative 1 times negative 2. That is positive 2. Okay? So, pagsamahin na natin. So, we have positive 2. Here, we have positive 2x. And then, dito, meron tayong negative 19x squared. And then, dito, we have negative 36x cubed. And then, just bring down this. So, that is 15x raised to 4. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ito yung product ng ating polynomials. Okay? So, 15. Is that negative? Oh, negative 15. So, that is negative 15x raised to 4 minus 36x cubed minus 19x squared plus 2x plus 2. Okay? Okay, so this time, gamitin naman natin yung box method para makita or makuha yung product ng ating trinomials. Okay? So, 3 by 3 na siya ngayon kasi nga both trinomials yung minumultiply natin. So, dito natin nilagay yung 5x squared. Oops. 5x squared. And then, positive 2x. And then, negative 1. Okay? So, ayan yan dyan. And then, yung ito naman, dito sa kabila. So, we have negative 3x squared. And then, negative 6x. And negative 2. So, kunin natin yung product nila. And then, later, tingnan natin kung merong like terms. Okay? So, ito muna. So, 5x squared times negative 3x squared. So, that is negative 15x x raised to 4. Okay? And then, ito, 2x times negative 3x squared. So, that is negative 6x cubed. Okay? And then, ito naman, negative 1 times negative 3x squared. So, that is positive 3x squared. Okay? So, ito naman, so 5x squared times negative 6x. So, that is negative 30x cubed. And then, ito naman, positive 2x times negative 6x. So, that is negative 12x cubed. And then, ito naman, negative 1 times negative 6x. So, that is positive 6x. And then, ito, okay, so 5x squared times negative 2. So, that is negative 10x squared. And then, ito naman, so 2x times negative 2. So, that is negative 4x. And then, ito, negative 1 times negative 2. That is positive 2. Okay? So, after that, check natin kung ano yung like terms. So, ito, like terms. So, we have x cubed and negative 6x cubed. So, that is negative 36x cubed. Okay? And then, ito, like terms sila. Para silang x squared. So, we have negative 10x squared and negative 12x squared. So, that is negative 22x squared. Then, combined with positive 3x squared. So, that is negative 19x squared. Okay? And then, ito, negative 4x and positive 6x. And that is positive 2x. Okay? And then, just bring down yung walang kapareha. So, this is negative 15x raised to 4. And this is positive 2. Okay? So, ito yung product na nakuha natin gamit yung box method. And then, same lang naman sila dun sa nakuha natin kanina nung ginamit natin yung distributive. Okay?